Hello Kipsters, and welcome to week 17 of 6th grade vocabulary. This week we have two more words to add to our list. The two words are conclude and justify. Here is the definition of the word conclude. Conclude is a verb and means to bring something to an end, come to a decision, or figure something out. Here is the word conclude in a sentence. After reviewing the replay, the referees concluded that Stephen Curry stepped out of bounds. Here are some examples that represent the word conclude. When a movie finishes, we can say that it has concluded. At the end of the year, teachers conclude who has earned a permission slip for the big trip. Now here's the definition of the word justify. Justify is a verb and means to prove that a decision, action, or idea is reasonable. Here is the word justify in a sentence. He justified his lateness by explaining that he had to walk his little sister to school first. Here are some examples that represent the word justify. In a long response questions, you justify your answer with evidence from the text. Lawyers justify their case with the evidence they show to the jury. For the last part of your homework, you have two questions. For the first question, please view this image and describe how it represents the word conclude. Please write your response using the space labeled number 1. For the second part, please answer this question. What is one way you can justify missing a day of school? Please remember to reverse the question and then answer it. Alright guys, so tomorrow we're going to have our quiz and thinking skills. Next week will be our last week of vocabulary before our big test. Please review all of the vocabulary words. You may do this by watching each of the videos. You can do this by reviewing the thinking skills. I usually include most of the words, if not all of them, on the thinking skills. See you guys tomorrow.